Let's talk about subtracting monomials. The same method from the adding monomials. We use the same concept. So adding and subtracting, the same idea, just subtraction, you just going in the opposite direction. Again, if the monomial expression, the binomial, well, not binomial, but the monomial expression or the variable expression, saying the same thing. Here, you have the same variable, the same exponent, then we say that they're like terms, same variable expression. So here we're going to subtract 13 from 39, and so that gives us 26, and then that's W to the 5th power. (23) minus 30, 23u to the 7th minus 30u to the 7th, u to the 7th. They're in both expressions, so they're like terms. So we subtract. Make sure you look at my video adding, subtracting sign numbers to be able to deal with the 29 and the negative 30. Here, these two numbers have different signs. We subtract and get 7, but negative 30, it has a larger absolute value than 23. So since negative 30 is 30, we're going to take its sign and fix to the result. Negative 7 u raised to the 7th power. I didn't do that right. They both have a to the 6, so they're like terms. Just subtract 46 minus 10. That just gives us 36. 36 a. Now, if it's just a monomial answer, I just use, to get that power key, that exponent key, I just use shift and then the above the 6 on your keyboard as the asterisk up for the power. Let's do that, and that just puts you there, and so then you get it. Oh, wow. This is good. I don't think I put an example like that, and I do apologize. But think about it. Now, they're both like terms. This is negative times a negative, right? So negative times a negative is positive. So this becomes 34W plus 8W. And so we just add 34 plus 8. That just gives us 42W. Again, this is a negative. If you have two negatives separated by parentheses, you convert both of them to a plus sign. 34W plus 8W is 42W. They're like terms, so I deal with the coefficients. Keep the common variable, W. Are you with me? All right. So here, again, like terms, a to the 5th, a to the 5th, they are alike. So since they're alike, here I'm going to deal with the coefficients, negative 6 plus a negative 22. That's 6 plus 22. They have same sign, so I add the numbers. I get 28. They have the same sign, so we just affix the common sign, negative 28. A. If you want to use that legend box, you can. A to the 5th. Oh, there it is again. Negative, parentheses negative, that becomes plus. So I'm adding 35 plus 14. They are like terms, a squared and a squared. So 35 and 14, let's see, that's 49. So 49 a to the 2nd. See, so we subtract 36 minus 18, just gives us 18. And then times u to the 3rd, right? U to the 3rd. They both have u to the 3rd, so they're like terms. Oh, there's that negative, parentheses negative again. That just becomes plus. So they're like terms. A squared and a squared are like terms. So 47 plus 8, right? That becomes 55. So 55 a to the second. Oh, here it goes again. This guy just likes the negative parentheses negative. Anyway, that just becomes plus again. 24 a to the third plus 5z to the third. Oh, unlike terms. A and z are not the same. So this is just 24 a to the third. Let's see, how do I? Oh, to move that down, I hit the my right arrow key. That's crazy, computer. Right? Plus 5z raised to the third. Man, this dude likes the negative parentheses negative. Okay, we get it. It's plus. How many times are you going to do it? Okay, so this is 41u squared plus 2u to the eighth. Unlike terms, right? So I'm just going to rewrite it. Just change that negative negative to a plus. So this is u to the second. Right arrow key puts me down. Plus 2u raised to the eighth. So you can have the same variable, but if there's a different exponent, they're still unlike terms. They got to be the same, right? If this is u to the square, u squared, I'm looking for u squared over here. If it's not, they're unlike, period. Hello, thank you. It'd be funny if I said I hadn't got it wrong, right? Oh, we're finished. Okay, thank you.